Discover how to effectively categorize credit card payments in Ynab with these straightforward steps provided in this detailed guide. To begin, open Ynab and navigate to the account register. Launch the Ynab app or website and log in to your Ynab account. Locate the specific credit card account you wish to categorize a payment for, and either click or tap on the account to open its register. Next, find the credit card payment transaction. Identify the transaction that corresponds to the payment you made to your credit card. It should display as a transaction with a negative amount, indicating an outgoing payment from your budget. Proceed by editing the transaction category. Select the credit card payment transaction to view its details and locate the category field for the transaction. Categorize the payment as a transfer to the credit card account. In the category field, choose the option that represents a transfer to the credit card account. This category is typically labeled with the credit card account name or as transfer to credit card account name. Finally, save the changes. Confirm that the transaction is now categorized as a transfer to the credit card account and save the changes to update the categorization. That's all there is to it. You've successfully categorized your credit card payment in Ynab, ensuring accurate budget tracking.